Hi friends. Have you ever looked at your plant and thought, why are you still sad? I give you water. I give you food. What else do you want? Don't worry, it's not just you. Your plant is trying to tell you something, but in silence. You water it. You feed it. But it keeps getting weaker, softer, and more lifeless every day. Let's find out what's really going on inside that pot. First reason: too much love. Yes, overwatering is love gone wrong. When the soil is always wet, the roots can't breathe. They suffocate, rot, and stop absorbing all those nutrients you add. So even with fertilizer, your plant is starving. Other causes: soil light stress. Sometimes the soil is too heavy, or there's no drainage, or maybe it's sitting in a dark corner where sunlight never reaches. And sometimes your plant is just stressed after repotting, moving, or sudden temperature changes. Give it time. It needs peace more than water. Another reason: too much fertilizer. Too many minerals can burn the roots. You'll see brown leaf edges and no new growth. And let's not forget, tiny bugs or fungus can quietly attack from inside the soil. Check the roots. Check the leaves. Your plant's telling you more than you think. By the way, what kind of plant do you have that's struggling right now? Tell me in the comments. Maybe we can save it together. If you find this helpful, share it with a friend who loves plants too. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps this little green community grow. Remember, plants don't just need water and fertilizer. They need balance, light, air care, and patience. May all your plants grow healthy, green, and full of life. See you in the next one, my plant-loving friend.